or something?
He's probably tired from all that buzzing around.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm gonna play like I'm a leaf and maybe they'll leave me alone. Maybe they'll leave me alone. We're petting a cicada. He's our pet now. I love him. He's so lovable now. Look at you, cicada. Hey, Bubby. Hey, Bubby.
Is he okay?
Well, I'm not 100%, but I think he's trying to stay really still, thinking maybe he'll blend right in and we won't think about bothering him anymore. He's a cicada bug. He walked into the grass. Your females, he's washed up some
Well, it doesn't look like he's okay, though.
Oh, I wonder if touching him hurts him.
He's not moving.
He's just camouflaging. He's blending in.
He's not moving at all. He's probably just scared.
Yeah, he probably is.
But I think he's getting used to us.
He might be getting used to us.
Oh. Oh. Poor little cicada bug. I want to help him. But he's not going nowhere.
Let's just let him live his little short lifespan in peace.
Mm-hmm.
He blends right in.
The camera doesn't even know it. Aww. Oh, I love him. What do cicadas like? Grass?
They probably like being alone.
What do they eat?
I forgot. I'm sorry, we'll have to look that up. He's
Oh,
looking right at my camera though. Look. Hi there. Hi. Needs to get clear.
Aww. Look at that cuteness.
You want all.
I really
Just trying to hang out and see if we'll ignore him. He's blending in so well.
He really is.
We wouldn't see him if he weren't walking across the pavement when we walked out.